पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानांशु प्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् सर्वविधिषणो भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुम् मायया भोजयन्नः माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् सविष्टान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमति विभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगण पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः।
Mantra 1, 2, 3.
हरिः ओम्। ओम इति एतद् अक्षरम् इदं सर्वं तस्य उपव्याख्यानम् भूतं भवत् भविष्यत् इति सर्वं ओंकारः एव यच्च अन्यत्रिकालातीतं तदपि ओंकारः एव सर्वं हि एतद् ब्रह्म अयम् आत्मा ब्रह्म सः अयम् आत्मा चतुष्पात् जागरितस्थानः बहिष्प्रज्ञः सप्तांगः एकोनविंशतिमुखः
अपरोक्ष self-evident I, most proximate, not proximate, myself itself. So this which you can never miss, whatever you refer to as I is this Atma only, but you have mistaken it to be something other than what it is. That is the job of Vedanta, provided you are available to correct it. Provided you are available. How you are available? Not by simply sitting in the class, not by simply listening on the YouTube. What is that availability? Keep the prepared mind. If your mind is prepared, Vedanta is the job of not even 3 minutes. I was really wondering, this ancient text like Rubu Gita, etc. One teaching and this is absorbed in the Swarupa. Why? Mind is so prepared. A dry gunpowder, how much necessary to ignite? Spark, not even matchstick, spark. Suppose it is damp heap of gunpowder, any amount of matchsticks will not suffice. So like that, provided you are available with prepared mind is available by. Don't tell that. What is that? Why? See, nowadays Vedantic teachers also don't highlight Vairagya. No, why? If they highlight it like that, audience will disappear. Audience will disappear. If audience, what will they do? So, not that way. Vedanta without Vairagya cannot work at all. So that's why repeatedly have to be hammered so that at least one day it will click. It happens. One day it is, yes. That is where it is to be. So that is why. So therefore, this Atma and that Atma is Chatushpad. Chatushpad, it has got 4 parts. 4 parts, not like the 4 legs of a cow or a horse. It is just like 4 making one whole entirety. Just 1 rupee equal to 100 naya paisa. 25 naya paisa coin, 25 naya paisa coin, 25 naya, 20 naya, make it what? One this is. They are not like legs or parts, etc. They make one whole. So that these 4 parts together is what? Is Atma. But one difference is there. What is it? Earlier 3 parts serve you as the means to know Atma. 4th part is the entity Atma to be known. Earlier 3 are what? Karanas, sadhanas, means. The 4th one is what? The end. What you have to discover. So that is different. Now the first pada, that is Vishwa or called Vaishvana level, macrocosmic level. So that why it is taken as macrocosmic level will be clarified by Bhashya afterwards. So he is what? Jagarita sthana. Jagarita, that is the one who is aware of the place of identification for whom is waking state. That is for Vishwa or Vaishvanara, the field of identification is Jagarita, waking world. Bahishpradnya, we have seen Bahishpradnya also. The first 2 words we have already seen. Bahishpradnya, one who is conscious of external objects, or whose Chaitanya, pure awareness, is, that is, disqualified by objects seen or perceived outside. Now we have to see Saptanga objects. This Vishwa or Vaishvanara, or the first pada, has got 7 limbs. Sapta, 7. Angas are limbs. It has got 7 limbs. Now, what are the 7 limbs? They are 7 in number. So, this is taken from Agnihotra Upasana described in Chandogya Upanishad. From the Chandogya Upanishad. So, what are those? It's like this. Dew means heaven. Surya, sun. Vayu, that is air, prana. Prana. The air stands for prana. Akasha, rain for water. Prithvi, you know. Then 7th one is Ahavaniya. Ahavaniya, you'll see that how the other parts will be seen, but these are the referred to. Ahavaniya is a fire in while doing the Agnihotra. See, for Vedic rituals, you should be able to identify the different types of flames, and that is the oblation has to be offered a particular type of fire only. And at times it happens, in the Yajna Kunda, these flames come. By the time you offer, disappears. First, you should be very quick in identifying this thing, and then you have to offer. Vedic rituals are not that easy, okay? So that is how. So that is Ahavaniya, that is, yes, Ahavaniya fire. These 5 correspond to the 7 links of the Vishwa Vaishwanara. What are those? Like this. Murdha, head is Dyu. Of Vaishwanara, the head is the Upasana thing, head is to be considered as what? Heaven. Then the Surya is what? Chakshuhu. Chakshu, eyes of this Vaishwanara correspond to Surya. Prana of Vaishwanara corresponds to Vayu, air. Then Deha Madhya, that is the middle of the body. What do you call it? Trunk. Like that. Tree trunk, like that, body trunk. From the neck up to the here, this thing is what? Trunk. It is up to the belly. That trunk. That Deha Madhya is Akasha, space. Basti. Basti is, that is, place where urine is stored, like urinary bladder. That is what? Water. Rai. Rai means water. Rai, water. Then, Pada, the feet, stands for Prithvi, earth. Pada. So, Mukha. Mukha also can be Dwara, Mukha here, or a place to receive something, that is Ahavaniya fire. So therefore, these 5 aspects of Agnihotra Upasana are what taken as the, not 5, 7. 7 aspects are taken as the 7 limbs of Vishwa, 7 limbs of Vishwa or Vaishwanara. Then it has got Ekona Vimshati Mukha. Ekona Vimshati how much? 19. Vimshati is 20. 1 less. Eka Una. 1 less. That is 19. So they are what? Mukha. Mukha means here Vishayopalobdhi Dwarani. Vishayopalabdhi Dwarani. Dwarani, the means, the doors, the gates, as it were, for Vishayanam Upalabdhi, Vishayopalabdhi. What is Vishayopalabdhi? Sense perception. Indriya Pratyaksha. Perception through the Indriya, sense organ. It is Upalakshana. It is an indicatory word for also karmas. That is the karanas, the instruments, the means that can make you perceive and act. What are those? For perception, for action, what all means karanas are required? First, 5 jnanendriyas, sense organs. Then 5 karmendriyas. For them to function, 5 pranas, 15. Then antakarana, consisting of mana, buddhi, ahankara, chitta. See, these 19 means karanas, instruments, are necessary for this Vaishwanara Vishwa to interact with the world, to take to the Vyavahara with the world, take to the business with the world. Don't take business as profession, okay? Generally the world has got connected business means what? Profession, etc. No. Any activity is business only. I found it Vyavahara business. I was just searching for a long time. Somehow I stumbled upon. Then I said, yes. Not that I didn't know, but it has a tinge of what? Your profession and all occupation, etc., the business, etc. But it is that any activity, any undertaking can be taken as what? business. Otherwise, you have to load the word. You do one thing. Every time you refer the Vyavahara, business. Every time business, Vyavahara, business, Vyavahara. How these words have come? Car. Nothing. Call a dog, take a biscuit. Tommy. You 8, 10 times do. Afterwards, Tommy. That is how names are there. You address it. So like that. But we can take Vyavahara as what? Business. Means interaction with the Jagat. Interaction with the world. So therefore, for this Vaishwanara, the first father, the first quarter, the first part of Atma, to interact with the world, to do business with the world, these 19 instruments are necessary. Is it not, you think? If organs of action, sense organs, pranas, mana, buddhi, ahankara, chit, antakarana, these are not there, can you act with them? You will see. Out of this indriya, what is important? Mind. If you pluck the mind, what will happen? 10 are out of gear. You just put the mind off, 10 are out of gear. So that is how it. So again, buddhi also is necessary. Why? Direct. Otherwise, so it will be a car without a steering. It's a car without a steering. Somebody said it's a golden thing. In villages, etc., bicycle. There are no street lights are not there. The rule is they have to put a lamp to the bicycle. So one day what happened? One person was riding the bicycle very fast. Police was there. He started whistling and he said, stop. Night time there was no light. This fellow shouted, police, keep away. My cycle not only has no light, it has no brakes. it has no, keep me away. It has no brakes also. So like that, it won't work. So buddhi also very, their judgmental thing must be there also. So the ekonisham. So then mukha means vishaya upalabdhi dvarani. The means of perception which includes the means of actions also. 5 karmendriyas also. Again he is sthula bhuk. Sthula bhuk. So whatever bhoga he takes to is sthula. Bhoga is what? What you enjoy and what you suffer. That's the one thing. Generally, of course, language is very clear, dictionaries also are very clear. But this hasty man, what? Bhoga means enjoyment. You take all the English translation of enjoyment. No, it's a half 50%. In fact, we can't give 50% mark also. It includes suffering. It includes suffering also. So therefore, so here, book, the one who enjoys or suffers depending on the context. So that's sthula book. Sthula means sthula vishayas. Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha. Gross means what? Perceived through indriyas. Because in dream also you experience what? Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha. But here not that at subtle level, but at the gross level, through the means of what? The external indriyas. See, that is what? Sthula book is Vaishwanara. Derivation of Vaishwanara, let us skip for Bhashyakara to explain. Vaishwanara can also mean it here. Vishwa is what? the individual waker consciousness. The same individual waker consciousness at totality level is the entity who enjoys or suffers the entire Jagat. Because that entity has the entire Jagat as its body. Who is that entity? Virat. Virat. Vishwa, microcosmic level, individual level, totality level, Virat, that's what Vaishwanaraha. Other derivation we'll see when the Bhashya comes in details. So that Vaishwanaraha is Prathama Padaha. He is the first pada of who? Who is Prathama Pada? That is incomplete answer. Of Chatushpat Atma. Of Atma who has got four padas. Simply you can't say Atma. Of Atma who has got four padas. Now, sir, how do you say that Chatushpatvam, Pratham Chatushpatvam itya? We read, no? So now, how is that? What you are seeing in the mantra, Bhashyakara is explaining at length. Take Bhashya.
जागरितं स्थानम अस्य इति जागरित स्थानः.
See, Prathama Pada is Jagar Sthanaha, is a Bahuri Samasa. The one, the entity who has got Jagarita as its Sthana. The entity who has got Jagarita, waking state, as is what? Its Sthana means what? Field of identification. That is, or it can, Sthana can mean field of identification, the right one, otherwise object or matter of identification. The field is better. The one who is Jagaritam. What is Jagarita? How do you explain Jagarita? Panchikarana, have you read? You have kept my book intact there somewhere. Indriyaihi vishayopalabdhi jagaranam. By indriyas, by external jnanendriyas, karmendriyas, vishayopalabdhi, perception of objects and actions also is what jagarita. Why that indriyaihi? Otherwise, definition will overflow to dream. In the reasoning, it is called ativyapti. It will encompass what it doesn't mean. So therefore, so here, indriyaihi vishayopalabdhi jagaritam. That is perception and action through indriyas. Sense organ and organs of action is what? Jagarita, waking state. So therefore, Jagaritam, the waking state, is what? Sthanam. So that is, what is sthana? Abhimanasya vishayam. Is the vishaya, object of abhimana means identification. That is abhimanasya vishayam. That is what we are seeing as what? The field of identification for one who is the what is that? Is Jagarita, waking state. Asya. Asya means of this Prathama Padasya, first pada, or Vishwasya, or Vaishwanarasya. All are synonyms. Actually, Vishwa is Veshti, individual level. Vaishwanara, same thing as Samashti total. But here, the distinction is not made as a one pada because everything. We'll see why after. Why you speak of four pada of Atma which is at what level? Individual level or totality level? Individual level. And suddenly bring the totality also high. We'll see after reason there is reason. Because what for you are studying Mandukya with Om? To dismiss the Jagat. To end the Jagat with the Omkara. If you confine to what? Individual level as Vishwa only, Virat will show the thumb, I am here. You are dismissed what? Individual level. Totality level is still there. You are not dismissed the entire Jagat. Therefore, so if that question comes, so in Saptanga, if I have to bring the heaven, etc., etc., what is the reason? At individual level, they are not there. True. But when you take the pada, you have to include the totality also. Because when you dismiss the Jagat, not only at individual level, you have to dismiss at what? Totality level. From that it will be made clear afterwards. So that is how sthanam asya iti jagarita sthanaha. That prathama pada is the one who has got waking state as its field of identification. Next.
बहिष्प्रज्ञः स्वात्म व्यतिरिक्ते विषये प्रज्ञा यस्य सः बहिष्प्रज्ञः बहिर्विषयेव प्रज्ञा अविद्याकृता अवभासते इति अर्थः.
Before that, we'll see little something more about it, Jagarita. Elsewhere it is said, what is Jagarita? Dakshine akshe mukhe vishwa. You know what is the headquarters of Vishwa? Dakshina aksha. Right eye. See, in the waking, what is important? What are not what is important? What are prominent? Indriyas. In Indriyas, organs of action are prominent or sense organs are prominent? Jnanendriyas, sense organs. In the sense organs, what is the prominent? Eyes. Among two eyes, what is prominent? You may not right. It is the right eye. It is the right eye. So therefore, according to Veda, the right eye is the sthana for who? Vishwa, who is interacting with the Jagat. That is how that ityukte. So therefore, the one who has got dakshinakshi. Dakshinakshi means right eye as the word sthana, the place of abidance in the statement jiva. Jiva who has got the right eye as the place of abidance during the waking state. Like that. Isn't it? So this much is okay. That is Vaishwanara or Vishwa is the Prathama Pada, the entity who is identified with the waking state. Now, what is meant by Bahishprajna? So first let us see what is Prajna. Here Prajna is Buddhi. What Buddhi? Not simply Buddhi. Buddhi vritti rupa means antakarana vritti. Antakarana vritti, which gives you the cognition, the knowledge or the experience of something. That is what that prajna. Also prajna can mean, what is that prajna? Sthita prajnaha. Sthita, sthira, prajna, yasya saha. The one whose prajna is sthira, sthita, steady. What is the prajna there? Their prajna is that antakarana vritti which is nothing but a replica of Chaitanya free from all adhyastha visheshas attributes. Or prajna can mean knowledge also. Any type of knowledge. Aitareya speaks of that. But you have to see the context and ascertain the meaning. So Bahishprajna means one whose buddhi rupa, vritti rupa is what? Bahihi is with respect to external world. What is the external world? How do you demarcate internal world and external world? Inside or outside? What is the boundary? Physical body. Physical body. But here, if you take that Bahishprajna, a problem will come. You know what? Knowledge about the things outside the body. Now tell me knowledge of the physical body, Bahishprajna or Antarprajna? Bahishprajna. So therefore, you can't say Deha, physical body, and whatever that is, external physical body. That is what? About that. Prajna, that is Swatma Vyatirikte Vishaye Prajna. The Vishayas, sense object, which are distinct from oneself. So that is here body and external to body. Atirikta means distinct, different. Best thing is to take what? That perception available, that is what? Not perception. All the entities available perceptibly. All perceptibly available entities, that is what is called. So that is how Bahishprajna. Bahishprajna. So that is Swatma Vyatirikte Vishaye Prajna, that Antakana Vritti which gives the knowledge of that. Yasya Saha Bahishprajna. So that Yasya Saha Bahishprajna. Actually speaking, for Atma, you can't have demarcation inside and outside. Why? For example, space. Space, if you say inside space, outside space, you are putting in between a boundary. For example, this hall space, the walls of the hall you are putting as the boundary, and outside you are total space, like that. Here also, inside you have to take care at the account the physical body. With respect to, you have to say inside and outside. So that is how that Prajnasya Bahishprajna Bahihi Vishaye Bahir not Vijay Bahir Vishaya Iva Prajna, not Vishaye. Bahi Prajna Antakana Vritti is what? Bahir Vishaya. Bahir Vishaya with respect to external object like Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. So that is how Bahishprajna Bahir Vishaya Iva Prajna. How is it appears to be so? Avidya Krita Avidya Krita Avabhasate. Avabhasate appears to be that. How? Avidya Krita, on account of avidya, projected by avidya. So that is how Avidya Krita. In the sense, though in Atma, inside, outside not possible, but because of avidya, it appears as though there is something outside. Or you can say, what? Anything other than Atma is what? Outside. but then probably comes antarpradnya. In that case, antarpradnya will be also bahipradnya. No, that's why I say body is a better one. Just a demarcating line. Prajna avidyakrita avabhasate appears to be there iti artha. It means, in short, that Chaitanya who is identified with that is waking world, gaining the knowledge, experience of the external world is Vaishprajna. To draw the contrast with the knowledge, experience of the dream world. In the waking, have you got experience of dream world? You have got, you know what it is. Daydreaming. We are not talking about that. We are not talking about that. So therefore, he is what? Jagrit sthanaha Vaishprajnaha. So now, Bhashya explains what is this Saptangaha.
तथा सप्तांगान्यस्य तस्य हवा एतस्य आत्मनः वैश्वानरस्य मूर्धैव सुतेजाः चक्षुः विश्वरूपः प्राणः पृथक् वर्त्मात्मा संदेहः बहुलः बस्तिः एव रैः पृथिव्या इव पादौ इति अग्निहोत्र कल्पना शेष
पृथिवी एव पादौ
इति अग्निहोत्र कल्पना शेषत्वेन आहवनीयः अग्निः अस्य मुखत्वेन उक्तः इति एवं सप्तांगानि यस्य सः सप्तांगः.
As described so far, short, okay, don't worry. Don't get frightened, okay. You be ready, then you will lose the fright, okay. Everything will be explained. These 6, 7 limbs are whose limbs, that's all. What are 7 limbs will be described. From where you have got, such and such place is what it is, okay. Now before that, just I will once again read that, you need not repeat, but mark the words which are words together words. Tatha saptangani, inverted comma, I think it is there in your book also. This is the Chandogya Atmanaha Vaishvanarasya, as it is. Now, what is what, you have to take together now. Not some one word, no, not that way. All the time. Murdha eva sutejaha, one phrase. Put comma after sutejaha. Murdha eva sutejaha, comma. Chakshur vishwarupaha, comma. Chakshu is Vishwarupa, we'll see in detail what they mean. Pranaha prithak vartmatma, one phrase. Pranaha prithak vartmatma, put comma there. Sandeha bahulaha, one phrase. Vastihi eva raihi, comma there. Prithvi eva padau. This tell you the 7 limbs, what are they corresponding to this upasana. Now let us take one by one. Tatha, so also. What is so also? As we have already seen about first pada, how it is Jagrata Sthana, how it is Vaishprajna. Now, how this first pada is Saptanga is going to be explained. So also, Saptangani asya. Asya, of this entity, this one, who is that entity? Vishwa or Vaishwanara, one and the same entity, either individual level or totality. So, Saptangani, it has got 7 limbs. What are those 7 limbs? They have been taken from Chandogya. Now don't say Chandogya was first or Mandukya was first. That is for PhD thesis, okay? Not for a Mumukshu. Not for a Mumukshu. Shruti it is. Because see, that way, if you say that way, you know what happens? Mandukya is Mantropanishad, whereas Chandogya is Brahmanopanishad. For convenience sake, we refer to Chandogya as Upasana, but that Upasana is elsewhere there in the Vedas. Don't think it originated at where in the Chandogya only, yes, sir. That Upasana is somewhere in the Vedas, Aranyakas, etc. is there. So therefore, that is not the point of consideration at all here. We have nothing to do with those. So therefore, this is from Chandogya 5:18 for our convenience, because suppose you want to know more about it, what you do? Take Chandogya Vishaya, Shankara Bhashya, okay? If you want, it will explain you. See, look. Westerners have done PhD in Purva Mimamsa. How many Indians know Purva Mimamsa is there? They studied. Somebody said, they studied, ask them to light a fire for yajna. What they? They will use which hand? Left hand. That samskara is not. You are not supposed to use the left hand. You have to use the right hand. But they have studied with it. In fact, it is useful. See what happened, you know. From Purva Mimamsa, one Nyaya I wanted, a maxim. First thing, I don't know which book to refer, etc. Nowadays our Brihaspati is there, you know. Who is Brihaspati? Internet. I asked my one student, please get me. My God, so much of material, so much. I have to crack my head to find out what I want. Yes, sir. That's good. Is that really something good? So that is fine. Otherwise, where which library you have to go? You have to go somewhere and then what comes at the tip of your finger. See, this is how you can make good use of something. With the same thing, you can damn yourself also. So that is, people are damned by the internet, etc. So that is that. So fine, that's good. But we should make good use of such things only. Sometimes what happens, I know one person who was very economical while talking on the phone. With the Jio cable, I found this person is talking about half an hour. Half an hour together. Then I said, some deal must be there. Some salesmanship deal must be there. And the free time, etc., something must be. You know, who is at last? You speak because it is free talking. But at the same time, you are what? Making a habit to be a chatterbox. Wrong thing, just fine. Just see. On phone, talking to the point also is a great art. Not only great art, it needs so much of restraint on oneself. Not only that, clarity of what I want to discuss, etc. Just be specific to the thought. That is what Vedanta needs, such mind, not this mind. चलता है, not that you have to be to the point. That's all. By bhasha you can get that. That's that. See how he is to the point because he has got certain rules. As a bhasha, he can't go here and there. If he wants to explain, come out of bhasha, write what? Prakarana, grantha. But you can't do it here. So now we say, let us take one by one. So that was Atmana, Vaishwanarasya, Murdha, that is what is afterwards. Iti Agnihotra Kalpana Sheshatvena. All these are picked up from what? Kalpana, that Kalpana is Bhashya only, at the end of this quotation. Iti Agnihotra Kalpana Sheshatvena. Kalpana is Upasana. Shesha is Anga. We'll come to that again. Angatvena. As the Angas, the limbs, the parts of Upasana of Agnihotra, as specified where? In the Chandogya. Now these seven limbs are specified there. What are those now? One by first one. Murdha eva sutejaha. Sutejaha is Dyuloka. Dyuloka means what? Heaven. Heaven is the head of Vaishwanara. This is a figurative description. Where head lies? Upar. Upar. In the cosmos, what is the top? Heaven. Where feet lies? Down. Down where? Earth. Dew, Prithvi, Father. See, it is not just arbitrary, some the connection is there. So therefore it says, Murdha eva sutejaha. Murdhan, have a head. Sutejaha, bright and brilliant one, the heaven. You know why heaven is bright and brilliant? Even heavenly bodies, devatas are lustrous. You know why? Agni Pradhana. All bodies are made up of Panchamahabhutas, but they have a different predominance. On earth, bodies are Prithvi Pradhana. In heaven, they are what? Agni Pradhana. Patalas, up Pradhana. Water Pradhana. Like that it happens. That bright and brilliant one, that is refers to the heaven. So that is what? The head. What about the Chakshu eye? Chakshu Vishwarupaha. Vishwarupa stands for Aditya. Sun, Surya. Sun, Surya. So therefore, what you do? That the head of this Vaishwanara Vishwa to be considered as heaven, the eyes of the Vishwa Vaishwanara to be considered as sun. Pranaha Prithak Vartmatma. Prithak Vartmatma stands for Vayu, air. Prana of this, see, at the totality level. Prana of Vaishwanara is what? Vayu, air. Sandeha Bahula. Sandeha means Kaya Madhya. Madhya means middle portion. Middle portion of our Kaya means body. Deha Madhya. The middle portion of the body is what? Bahulaha. What you call trunk. Deha Madhya is what? Trunk. What is it? Bahula stands for Akasha, space. Akasha, space. Bahula. Basti eva raihi. So Basti is Mutra Sthana, the place of urination or urinary bladder, is what? Raihi. Raihi, water, here in the sense of what? Ocean. Totality level, not simply water.
ocean. Because ocean is that it is told Samudra in the Nrisimha Uttara Tapaniya Upanishad. You have to get from different places. Prithvi eva padau. What the feet of the Vaishwanara? Prithvi, the mother earth. Iti. So the Agnihotra Kalpana Sheshatvena. Agnihotra Kalpana Sheshatvena. See, it is actually here the Bhojana, taking the food of a Vaishwanara Upasana is taken as what? Agnihotra. That is the Vedic Upasana. Let us not bother much about that. We are concerned with the limbs of this Vaishwanara only. Iti Agnihotra Kalpana Sheshatvena. Sheshatvena means Angatvena as a part of that. Ahavaniya Agni. The Ahavaniya Agni, specific fire in the, this is what, this sacrificial fire. Mukhatvena Uktaha. Mukha, as the mouth, it is told. Iti evam saptangani yasya saha saptanga. In this manner, the one who has got 7 limbs, that is what Vaishwanara is called saptanga. Jagristhana, Bahishpradnya, saptanga. Fourth feature, or that is a description, the fourth aspect is Ekona Virushati Mukha. Mukha means as though Mukha, in the sense that this Vishaya Upalabdhi Dwarani, the means by which you perceive, the means by which you act. So that is what they are 19 in number. Really?
तथा एकोनविंशति मुखानि अस्य बुद्धीन्द्रियाणि कर्मेन्द्रियाणि च दश वायवः च प्राणादयः पंच मनः बुद्धिः अहंकारः चित्तम् इति मुखानि इव मुखानि तानि उपलब्धि द्वाराणि इति अर्थः.
So these 19 are the means of jnana, perception and karma. We will take it next time.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.
Oh.